in a style that aims to capture the essence and majesty of Psalm 6, reformulated poetically. O Lord, rebuke me not in thine anger sore, nor chasten me in wrath, I do implore. Have mercy, Lord, for I am weak and frail. Heal me, for my bones are vexed, my spirit pale. My soul is greatly troubled. How long, O Lord, how long? Return, O Lord, deliver me, for thy mercy is strong. Save me for thy mercy's sake. Let not death claim my breath, for in death there is no memory of thee, nor praise in the depth. I'm weary with my groaning. All night I make my bed to swim. With tears my couch is flooded, my eyes grow dim. Because of grief they age, worn by all my foes. For the Lord hath heard my weeping sound. The Lord hath heard my supplication. To me he's bound. The Lord will receive my prayer to him. My foes shall yield. Let them be ashamed and sore vexed, their doom sealed. If you like the video and want to see more videos, then subscribe and share this channel.